Wait, kale's how much? 15 bucks for a fancy bunch you still have to massage like it owes you rent? Meanwhile, the sidewalk's handing out greens that would make kale blush. I'm talking plants you've probably cursed, mowed, or side-eyed on the way to the bus. 5 of them are legit superfoods and they're free for the taking. Grab a paper bag. We're going grocery shopping without leaving the block. Yep, the weed everyone hates is basically a multivitamin on tap. Pick the leaves before the flower shows up and you've got arugula's earthy cousin, only loaded with triple the vitamin K, double the vitamin A, and more calcium than a glass of milk. Hungry? Dunk the yellow flowers in pancake batter, fry for 10 seconds, hit with salt, boom, instant fritter. Want coffee without the jitters? Scrub the roots, roast at 300 degrees Fahrenheit until they smell like chicory, then grind. 2 rules. Skip plants next to fire hydrant grass, dogs, and harvest before the puffball stage. The leaves turn bitter fast. That glossy fat leaf creeper popping out of sidewalks is nature's fish oil capsule. 1 cup dishes out 400 milligrams of plant-based omega-3s, the same fat you'd pay for in a supplement. Taste is mild and lemony, stems stay crunchy in stir-fries, leaves melt like spinach. Snip 2 inches above the ground and it grows right back. Those tiny black seeds on older stems, shake them into a jar, dry for a week, sprinkle like chia on oatmeal. Only lookalike to fear is spurge. Break a stem and if white sap oozes, back away. Purslane sap is clear. Find it in shady, damp corners under trees or along fences. Look for tiny white star flowers and 1 line of hairs running down the stem, nature's ID tag. Flavor is sweet corn meets cucumber. 1 packed cup gives you 6 grams of plant protein plus iron and magnesium. Toss it raw into sandwiches for crunch or blanch 30 seconds and blend with olive oil for a neon green pasta sauce. Just double check that hairy line. Mouse-ear chickweed is fuzzy all over and not your friend. From late July through September, city parks and vacant lots light up with wild blackberries. They're smaller than store ones, darker and pack more anthocyanins, those free radical hunters that keep your cells happy. Wear sleeves, pick the berries that drop with a gentle tug. If you have to wrestle, it's not ready. Freeze extras on a tray, then bag for winter smoothie bombs. Skip berries below knee height, dog splash zone strikes again. Drainage ditch or pond edge. Spot the hot dog on a stick plant. Cattails are basically a produce aisle in disguise. In spring, young shoots taste like cucumber hearts. Peel and sauté. In summer, shake the yellow pollen into a bag. Sift it and swap in for a quarter of the flour in pancakes for golden color and extra protein. Come fall and winter, the roots go starchy. Peel, slice, boil 15 minutes, mash like potatoes. 1 caveat, don't harvest from water downstream of golf course runoff or parking lot puddles. They're basically natural Brita filters and will suck up the junk. If you just found out dandelion whips kale on iron, or that you've been composting purslane omega-3, hit subscribe. There's a whole playlist coming on backyard medicine. Next up, pain relief oil from the same lawn weeds. Drop a comment with the plant you're most excited to try, or tag the friend still buying $20 superfood powders. 5 plants, $0, and a grocery list that writes itself every time you walk the dog. Start small, grab 1 weed this week, rinse it, and toss it into whatever you're already cooking. Once you've eaten a meal that outranks the premium stuff in plastic clamshells and paid nothing for it, there's no going back. Happy foraging. Your neighborhood just got tastier. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content.